Alright, so in this video we'll be giving just a brief, broad overview of the analytical writing assessment, also known as the essay, and more specifically the analytical writing section of our website. So that means the videos to come. So we'll be going over one after the other, the issue essay and the argument essay. And we want to make sure that keep in mind that these are distinct tasks with their own instructions and requirements and whatnot. Now they're both going to be scored on a scale from 1 to 6, and you'll have 30 minutes for each essay, but again the instructions are different, so we don't want to confuse them or mix them up. So the issue essay is going to ask you to present your own argument or position on an issue, whereas the argument essay is going to ask you to analyze an existing argument, not to give your own position or take on that issue. So in the videos to come, we'll start with the issue essay and then introduce that in a little more detail, including going through all of the different potential prompts. And then we'll look at a couple of sample prompts and talk about how we would plan an essay given those prompts. And then we'll take one of those and go into more detail and actually write the thesis and intro paragraph, write the body paragraphs, write the conclusion, and then talk about some proofreading and grammar tips to wrap that up. And then we'll do the same thing with the argument essay, except there we will add in one other video, and that is on identifying holes or flaws or weaknesses in the argument that you're presented. Those holes could be missing evidence, questions that need to be answered, assumptions, etc. And then again, we'll look at planning a few different essays, based on a few different prompts, and then we'll take one of those and go into more detail, writing the actual essay, and again, wrapping up with the conclusion and some proofreading / grammar tips at the end.